Hey there, investors. Let's talk options. They can seem complicated, but trust me, they're not as scary as they sound. With a bit of knowledge, you can navigate them with confidence. Options trading is like adding spice to your portfolio. A little goes a long way. It can enhance your investment strategy in ways you might not have imagined. Options give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a specific price by a specific date. This flexibility is what makes them so appealing. Think of it like putting a reservation on a table at a hot restaurant. You have the option to show up, but you don't have to. Why are options so popular? Well, they offer flexibility and leverage. This means you can potentially make big moves with a smaller investment, amplifying your gains. But remember, higher reward often means higher risk. It's crucial to understand the risks involved before diving in. So, buckle up and let's dive into the exciting world of options trading. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can make the most of this powerful financial tool. Ready to get started? Let's go! Options trading boils down to two basic flavors: calls and puts. These financial instruments can be powerful tools in the hands of savvy traders. Options. Think of these as bullish bets. You buy a call option if you think the price of an asset, say a stock like Apple, is going up. Essentially, you're betting on the stock's future success. It gives you the right to purchase that stock at a certain price, even if the market price skyrockets. This can lead to significant profits if your prediction is correct. Options. These are your bearish buddies. You buy a put option if you believe a stock price is headed south. It's like having insurance against a stock's decline. It gives you the right to sell that stock at a predetermined price, protecting you from a potential downfall. This can be a crucial strategy in a volatile market. Remember, options have an expiration date. If you don't exercise your right to buy or sell by that date, your option expires and you lose your initial investment. Timing is everything in options trading. Options trading offers several advantages that have lured investors for decades. Options give you the power to control a larger amount of stock with a smaller cash outlay. Imagine controlling 100 shares of a $100 stock for a fraction of the cost. Options offer a variety of strategies for different market outlooks. Whether you're bullish, bearish, or just want to manage risk, there's an option strategy for you. Options can be used to hedge against potential losses in your portfolio. Think of it as an insurance policy for your investments. Options can generate income through premiums received from selling them. This strategy can be particularly attractive in a sideways market. While options offer great potential, they also come with risks that every investor must understand. Options strategies can be complex and may not be suitable for novice investors. It's crucial to grasp the mechanics before jumping in headfirst. Options involve a higher degree of risk compared to simply buying and holding stocks. You could lose your entire investment if the market moves against you. Options trading involves commissions and fees that can eat into your profits. Factor these costs into your trading plan. Options have an expiration date, which means time is working against you. The closer you get to the expiration date, the faster the option's value can erode. Section 5. A real-world options trade. From theory to practice. Let's say you're bullish on Tesla stock, currently trading at $250 per share. You believe it will go up to $300 in the next month. Buying 100 shares outright would cost you $25,000. Expensive, right? Not everyone has that kind of capital lying around. Instead, you buy a call option with a strike price of $260 expiring in a month. The option costs $5 per share, which is significantly less than buying the stock outright. Your total cost? $500 for 100 shares at $5 each. Much more affordable, right? Scenario 1. Tesla rises to $300. You exercise your option to buy at $260 and sell at the market price of $300. This means you make a profit of $40 per share. Profit. Your total gain would be $4,000 minus the initial $500 investment. Scenario 2. Tesla stays flat or drops below $260. Your option expires worthless, and you lose your $500 investment. This is the risk you take with options trading. This example illustrates how options offer leveraged gains, but also magnify potential losses. It's a powerful tool, but one that requires careful consideration and strategy. Section 6. Options trading. Is it right for you? So, are options trading right for you? The answer depends on your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and investment goals. If you're a beginner investor with limited capital, options trading might not be the best fit right away. Focus on building a solid foundation with stocks and ETFs first. However, if you have a higher risk appetite, understand the intricacies of options, and are willing to dedicate time to research and education, options trading could be a valuable tool in your investment arsenal. Section 7. Knowledge is power. The key to successful options trading. Options trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires a solid understanding of option strategies, risk management techniques, and market dynamics. Before diving into options trading, arm yourself with knowledge. Read books and articles. Plenty of resources are available to help you grasp the fundamentals of options trading. Take online courses. Several reputable platforms offer online options trading courses for all levels of investors. Practice with a simulator. Many brokerage firms offer paper trading accounts where you can practice options strategies without risking real money. Section 8. Final thoughts. Proceed with caution and a plan. Options trading can be a powerful tool for sophisticated investors seeking leveraged returns and flexible strategies. However, it's not for the faint of heart and requires careful consideration and education. Before you jump into the exciting world of options, ask yourself, do I fully understand the risks involved? Am I comfortable with the potential for losing my entire investment? Do I have the time and resources to dedicate to learning and monitoring my trades? If you answered yes to these questions, then proceed. But proceed with caution and a well-defined trading plan. Remember, in the world of options, knowledge is your most valuable asset.